About to do something special. I bought this thing, this smokeless fire pit insert to go inside the stone. It's supposed to be smokeless, a smokeless fire pit. I don't know if it works. We don't know if it works or not. We're gonna fire it up right now, even though it's 100 degrees in Texas. There's this draft system that it circulates something technical and it makes it not smoke as much. It might smoke a little bit, the cardboard might smoke, but the wood's not supposed to smoke. So you could sit at all angles of the fire pit. It looks good though, man. I think it's working. Update, we got a fire going pretty good. And look at that. I don't know if you could tell, it's just not smoking. It's just, I don't see how it does that. I mean, it's burning good, but then look. Not sponsored, but this is Breeo. I just randomly found it online. So you can put a chair anywhere around the pit and you're just never gonna get hit. You'll get hit by the warmth, but you're not gonna be choking smoke. That's crazy. Yeah, it took a little bit to get cooking, but now it's doing what it's supposed to do, no smoke.